The helicopter flies over a bird island. With you, there is your team and a dozen other enemy aircrafts. You parachute onto by a weapon. You are unarmed except for a gun and 12 in the mag. You explore the building looking for resources. In a few minutes, the gas cloud surrounding the island will reach you, and you must escape immediately. But the area is full of enemies, and you can't lose focus, otherwise you and your team won't survive. This was a typical gaming session in Warzone, a first-person shooter game that has become incredibly popular since its release in 2020. Since then, a huge community of gamers has developed, bringing together a variety of players having different motives for playing. Not only are there amateur players, but also streamers and professionals whose playing activity is a career. To add more complexity, your playmates are not always the same, and you have to adapt to playing with everyone, sometimes even with people who do not speak your language. In this context, how do players communicate? What kind of leadership do they employ? How do they negotiate objectives and learn from mistakes? It would also be interesting to know what advantages the most skilled teams have in terms of organization, as well as to explore how people organize the team when they stream their live sessions. Research does not explain how different categories of players, driven by different motives, organize their team action, and how the design features of the game affect them. So my goal is to answer this question through a qualitative ethnographic methodology by employing interviews, observations, and analysis of communication exchanges among players. This research may shed light on in-game phenomena that can be really understood only by taking into account the contemporary landscape of in-gaming practices, like amateur and professional playing and streaming. Second, because it may give us some insight towards understanding aspects of virtual serious organizations, which are made up of people who interact with others from a distance, while addressing challenging tasks, and who have different skills, experiences, motivations, and social influence in their group. Hopefully, this may help elaborate solutions to problems that occur in virtual serious organizations. Thanks for watching, and bye from Italy!